Thinking about trying AlphaGummy because of all the hype? Hold on, this might save you from making a rushed decision. AlphaGummy is being marketed as a powerful supplement that can boost energy levels, improve your mood, and even support overall wellness. Sounds impressive, right? But when you peel back the flashy claims and take a closer look, the picture isn't quite as clear. First of all, there's no solid proof of FDA approval, which is concerning for a product you're supposed to put in your body daily. A supplement that makes such bold health promises should be backed by transparent data and certified safety standards, but AlphaGummy doesn't show either. There's also a noticeable lack of published clinical research or detailed ingredient studies, making it hard to assess what you're really consuming. The marketing style raises more red flags. It feels pushy, overly polished, and designed more to trigger impulse buys than to inform cautious consumers. On top of that, many of the glowing reviews online feel scripted or promotional, and there's a suspicious absence of critical or neutral feedback from real users. When a product has this much buzz but little verified substance behind it, that's usually a sign to proceed with caution. We're not saying AlphaGummy is definitely a scam, but it's definitely not living up to the level of transparency and reliability you should expect from something claiming to influence your health and mental state. If you're genuinely interested in energy and mood support, you might be better off exploring supplements with peer-reviewed backing and a more honest reputation.